Jai Srimanarayana.
Citizen loves Sri Ramachandra Swami. Dasaratha Maharaju, after noticing, after observing all such great wonderful qualities of Sri Ramachandra Swami, he started thinking of making Ramachandra Swami as the king of Ayodhya. He is also thinking that within my lifetime, before I take departure from this body, I would like to see Rama as the king of this Ayodhya. Like that, his thought process now going on. Dasaratha Maharaju thought of making his eldest son Rama as the prince, as the king of Ayodhya. He decided to do that. He called on all his ministers and told him about what he is thinking of doing. And also Dasaratha Maharaju telling all the ministers that, "Oh my dear ministers, I have been noticing so many bad omens. I have been getting so many bad indications. Can you please make it as fast as possible to make Ramachandra as the king of this entire kingdom?" Like that, Dasaratha Maharaju told his ministers and immediately sent messages to all the kings and the leaders around the country. Nana Nagara Vastavyan Pradhanan Prithvipatin. He called on so many leaders and kings. But Dasaratha Maharaju did not send a message to Janaka and the Kekaya, the king, who is the uncle of Bharata, because they are far from Ayodhya. Dasaratha Maharaju did not want to wait that long to make Rama as the king of Ayodhya. So as soon as he sent messages, all the kings and all the leaders came down to Ayodhya. Dasaratha Maharaju arranged an assembly with all of them. Now Dasaratha Maharaju is addressing the assembly, saying like this: "Oh my dear people, oh my dear leaders, oh my dear kings, I am getting older. I have been living on this earth for last 60,000 years. Now in this old age, I do not want to be taking care of such a huge responsibility of taking care of this kingdom. I would like to retire. So before I retire, I would like to give this responsibility to a very befitting person. I do see my eldest son Rama as the most befitting person to this position because he has so many good qualities. That is what is my opinion. If you all accept my opinion, my decision, if you all say let us go ahead, then we will make Rama as the king of this Ayodhya. Otherwise, if you have any other better idea, please present your ideas. I would like to get every one of your opinion and every one of your ideas, because ideas of those who are impartial is very important for this kingdom. That will be the most fruitful decision for the kingdom. That is why I may be partial towards my son. That is why I am seeking opinions and ideas from you all. Please present your opinions. Please present your ideas." Dasaratha Maharaju addressed the assembly like this. Then all those who are present in that assembly are addressing and responding back to Dasaratha Maharaju at once like this: with meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us now sing the glory of Sita Rama. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.